on the This is gonna sound extremely strange. I don't give a fuck if it's not strange or not. When I was on the fucking floor, I smelled your purple ass, and it smelled like somebody farted, and then let it fucking linger, and then it just sat there for about 3 minutes, and I'm like, God damn, who farted? Like, apparently you did. You're the only one that's purple around here. Who the fuck got this purple around here? You smell like a fart. Bro, I'm sorry, no offense. You think you farted, and you're like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just walk away here and just be for that. Man, come on, man. You can't come around here farting. Bro, you farted. Come on, admit that you farted, man. You farted. You know you farted. I can smell it. It's purple. It's purple. Mellish. I can smell you. It's purple fart. You purple fart, motherfucker.
Fuck off! Fuck off!
Yeah, back up.
Cheers.
Back up. Get.
Hey, bro.
Go away.
Okay.
Hey, yo. Can you not be an avatar that's like that toxic? I might have to turn you off. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the avatar off. Oh, somebody's on me. Yeah, bro. How you doing? How you doing, bro? You alright? That's good.
Well, they're still
Go
here,
away,
Mary.
Mel. Don't come back. Mel.
But they're still here.
I'm not. I'm.
Fuck away.
See if you can manage to block
Who
their
the fuck are you, bitch?
Okay, they changed.
What?
Yeah, I don't like spiders either.
Anything to do with you,
I
I'm gonna
get it.
block your secondary too. Alright, there you go.
Who the fuck was it?
Hey, bro. Bro.
Right beside you.
Hey. Come here.
Goldfish.
Yeah. No. Oops,
Hey guys, come on, we gotta hide. Come on, the killer's
I have snake just like an ass. Holy smokes.
Oh, fucking.
Jeez.
Fucking hell, really?
Bro.
Just fucking cornered in the bloody side of the room like that.
Hey. Yo. Yo, bro.